Good morning, students. Under Unit 3, Practicals, we are going to see the second one, that is revealing latent fingerprints using Ninhydrin solution. So this is our topic. So how to find out the latent fingerprints using this Ninhydrin? What are the materials needed? First, goggles, and then magnifier, gloves, acetone solution, and then bottles for storing, paper towels, and in order to magnify and in order to scan the images, we need a scanner and the software. Okay, and the chemicals that we need is ninhydrin powder, zinc chloride solution. Okay, and more than that we need some that is the spray bottles, steam iron or oven, UV light source in order to find out the in order to reveal the prints, and then the specimens. Okay, and since it was first used for developing latent fingerprints, this Ninhydrin solution started, that is, they worked out on this in the year 1954. Okay, Ninhydrin has become the most common method used to reveal prints on porous surfaces. Nearly all forensic labs use Ninhydrin for this purpose, and some use only this method. Okay, only this method, that is ninhydrin, is the best method, and using ninhydrin is the best method to find out the fingerprints. Ninhydrin, because it is very cheap and it is sensitive and commercially available in disposable spray cans. Before going to the practicals, we must see what are the precautionary measures. Since acetone is flammable and ninhydrin is irritating, zinc chloride is toxic and corrosive, and it emits hydrochloric acid fumes when wet, we have to wear splash gloves, okay, and we splash goggles, and we have to wear gloves and protective clothing. Okay, and always use the ninhydrin spray must be used outdoors and under an exhaust fan. Okay, this note we have to remember this point also, that is ninhydrin reacts with any amino acid, including that is present on our skin also. Okay, to give this romance purple color. And so if ninhydrin accidentally falls on our skin, the purple stains, although harmless, will persist for it is harmless, but it will persist for a few days. Okay, so we must make or must see to that whether we are following all these protectionary measures. We are all using this preventionary things. Now we'll move to the practice. How to prepare? Okay, see what is the procedure. How to prepare develop latent fingerprints with ninhydrin. Okay, see, if you have not already done with this experiment, please put always wear a splash goggles. Okay, and always you are advised to do under outdoors and or in a ventilated area with no flame or no other ignition source nearby. Okay, see what happens, you have to use a since we are going to spray, that is a newspaper can be kept on the working table. Okay, if you are spraying or swabbing, place the specimen print side up on paper towel or old newspaper to protect the work surface. If you are using tray development method, place the specimen print side up on the dish or a tray. Okay, now apply ninhydrin solution to dampen the surface. Okay, simply to wet the surface of the specimen. Allow the specimen to dry for few minutes. Some bluish or purplish ninhydrin stains may be faintly visible at this point, but do not be concerned if no stains are evident. Place one of the treated specimens aside for a day or two to allow development to occur at room temperature. The reaction must take place only at room temperature. Now make a sandwich with the two thickness of paper towels followed by the specimen, and then two more layers of paper towels. Okay, let's set the steam iron to low heat and iron the sandwich for several minutes using steam occasionally. So you have to use this way. That is the printer. The paper having the fingerprints is kept beneath, and then a paper towel is there. And now what we have to do after Ninhydrin is sprayed, we have to iron it. Okay, if you don't have steam iron, if you do not have a steam iron, then we can achieve similar results by soaking the top layer of the paper towels in water and then placing the sandwich in an oven set to about 110 degrees Celsius. Heat the sandwich for 15 to 20 minutes or until the paper towels have dried. If you don't have an iron, we can use this method. And now when the development appears to be complete, place the specimen on a clean flat surface and examine it carefully under strong light with a magnifier. So you can see the images when an anhydride is placed. See, these are all the finger, that is all the fingers uh, prints of all the fingers. Here it is the thumb finger. You can see in this video. See, this will be in this manner. You can get in this way. Thank you.